Hi, this is Aditi Singh Sharma. This is artistallowed.com, where it's music first.
Love, 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 love got the end. I don't wanna see love again. मैंने तय किया होके रहेगा ये है love got the end. Na na na.
Well, when I was approached for Music Day, I actually was feeling a lot of hangama around. It's really exciting to be a part of a project where, you know, a lot of us or a few of us are sharing the same stage, and yeah, it'll be really nice. I'm really looking forward to the event. बहुत अच्छा लगता है when you you know एक दूसरे के performances देखते हैं. You know, we don't get to see each other. हम या तो recording studios में मिलते हैं या तो फिर सीधा stage पे मिलते हैं और good luck बोल के चले जाते हैं. I'm very excited. I've been hounding Deepika to tell me the list of artists, but she thinks that 50 is too many. So she just told me to come on the 2nd of March, and that's when I'll find out who all are performing. So yeah, it'll be a really very cool concept, and I think the different genres and the different transitions will be very exciting to watch. So yeah, I'm very happy to be a part of it. 50 artists in one day in this city sounds insane, because firstly, half of the people are never free. Secondly, half of the people are always traveling. I mean, this is what we do for a living. But I think कभी भी मौका मिलता है, and if you know, अगर 10 से भी ज़्यादा artists हम लोग एक stage पे आएँ तो everybody gets very excited. And it's really nice to know that Deepika has been beating everybody up, और 50 लोग free हैं एक दिन में एक concert के लिए. So I'm very scared also, but I'm very happy to watch this. Independent music in this country is soaring higher and higher. I know a lot of artists who, you know, I love their music and I wish them the best. The good thing we have in our country is that we have, you know, very defined genres and very defined areas in music. So where we have a Bollywood, you have a, you know, pop, you have a rock, you have an indie pop, you have classical, and you have fusions happening these days. And I think it's really great because हमारे देश में से बहुत उभरता हुआ म्यूज़िक और बहुत सारे सितारे आ रहे हैं, and it's really cool, and I have a lot of respect for all the artists who are sticking onto their independent music and who are putting our, you know, flag up high all around the world. Yeah, so very excited to watch all the independent artists who are going to come through on the 2nd, and hope to sing along with their songs because हम लोगों को mostly सारे आते हैं. Artist Allowed Music Day concept, very dhamakedar, very hangamedar, and very you know, excitable. I'm sorry, the 3 adjectives that I used are really crazy, but I actually think that this concept is very cool and very crazy. More than 50 of us together performing one after the other, together on one stage, and you get to see a whole variety of artists. I'm very excited, and more than even, I mean, alongside being on stage, I'm very excited to be in the audience of that big hall which seats 800 people. So I hope they have space for one more, and it'll be really nice to watch everybody, and I will be standing alongside Deepika and dancing with everybody else. So yeah, I hope to see you guys on the 2nd of March, and you come and dance along with us. Please catch me on the 2nd of March 2012 on the Artist Allowed Music Day, only on artistallowed.com.